Hi everyone, Anu this side from Meraki Homes Studio. For those of you who are new here, we are a home interior design studio based out of Hyderabad. So do subscribe us for regular updates on our interior design projects and design tips. So today I'll be taking you through a bar cum crockery unit design that we did, and it was really appreciated by all of the people who viewed it on our Instagram page as well as on the site. So this bar unit is basically partially a part of a kitchen. The kitchen was such that there was the entrance wall which was half demolished to create this bar unit. The brief from the client was very clear. They were very specific about this requirement. They wanted this bar unit to be like a focal point and they wanted it to look really out of the box and luxurious. At the same time, we had to keep in mind the utility, functionality and the storage aspect of it. So we wanted to give a lot of storage there because it had to serve as a crockery cum bar unit. I'll just briefly explain the layout, how it was created. If you see, the kitchen came with a complete wall adjacent to the entrance, which was partially demolished, and then we have created this unit around that half wall in a U shape. One of its elevation that is falling inside the kitchen had to be a part of the kitchen itself. So if you see the design of it, in this elevation you'll see the colors and the units which are very much similar and complement the kitchen color combination. It has solid base units and just a little bit of glass units on the wall. The countertop also gives an ample space for keeping things and for working in the kitchen as well as towards the bar side. So it's a complete U-shaped counter coming in simple granite. The specific point here about this bar cum crockery unit is that it's a perfect example of how a space or a unit can be elevated by using colors, textures and finishes rather than over-complicating the shape and the form of it. So if you see, this has very straight, clean lines. There is no over-complicated shape or different kind of a structure there. Very simple straight-lined wall units and the base units, and a very simple countertop with a simple black granite. Now I'll talk about the elevation, that is basically the front elevation, which is very much visible as soon as we enter the house. This part had to be the major focal point and a connection between the living and the kitchen. Here at the bottom, if you see, there's a huge drawer, which is a solid drawer. That is basically to serve the purpose of storing bigger crockeries and bar tools, etc., which are heavier. On top of it, we have a glass unit again to kind of display the dinnerware or barware or anything. It has got lighting also inside, and the glass is brown tinted to give that nice ambient to the whole unit. The wall units are again done in brown tinted glass and golden metal profile. The sides of this unit also has the golden finish itself. There is no solid side panel. We've used glass so that things are visible from all three sides, which are displayed. So it's a perfect display unit from the front. The warm lighting is used in all the glass units to give that nice ambience to it. And that's why it is acting like a proper focal point and gives a very premium, luxurious feel. Moving on to the next elevation, which is towards the living room of this house. In this, we have again given a proper storage at the bottom, which is in black wooden textured laminate. Now here, if you see, the combination of matte and glossy and mirror and metal is acting as the major elements and doing the work here, rather than complicating the shape and the form. Again, moving on to the wall unit of this elevation, it is all done in glass and has the proper metal profile borders in rose gold. If you see, the back panel of this glass unit is also done in mirror to reflect the whole things that are displayed, and it gives a very premium and luxurious look. So that was about this bar unit, which is done in very simple, clean lines, and the use of premium finishes and colors and a very premium kind of a color palette has been used, which is a combination of black and rose gold, and that makes it look out of the box and extraordinarily beautiful. So do let us know if you like the design, and do leave your thoughts in our comment section, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for our regular updates. See you next time. Thank you.